Have you been using the Instagram and wondering why your content is not reaching the right audience or getting the views it deserves? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you the best tips and tricks on how to fix the Instagram Reels algorithm. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Now let's talk about how the Instagram Reels algorithm works. Instagram's algorithm prioritizes content based on your user engagement, watch time and relevance to the audience. If your Reels aren't getting the attention you want, there are a few key factors you need to tweak. Step 1. Make sure your content is high quality. Instagram loves Reels that are visually engaging and well edited. So to make it the high quality content and upload it to the highest quality possible, tap on the profile icon just right here. Then here you can find 3 lines at the top, just right here. Now select it. Now scroll down until you find the media quality option. Now here you can find it just right here. Now select it. Now here you can find upload at highest quality. Now you can see it has been disabled. Now simply enable it, just like this. And after doing it, you will post the videos on the highest quality. Next up is thumbnails. Did you know that the thumbnail of your reel is one of the first things the algorithm looks at? An eye-catching thumbnail can make a huge difference in whether or not people click on your reel. So try to pick a frame that stands out. For that, tap onto the plus sign right here, just like this. Then tap onto reel. Now select the reel that you want to add, just like this. Now to add the thumbnail, tap on to edit cover just right here. Now here you can find the thumbnail option from just right here. Now select the one that you want to add, like choose it just like this, or you can simply add from your camera roll as well. Now select the thumbnail that looks more eye-catching. Now just like this and tap on to done. Now the step 3 is using the trending sounds and hashtags. The algorithm loves reels that use popular music or trending audio clips. It's one of the best ways to increase the chances of your content being shown to a wider audience. To find the trending sounds, go to the Reels section. Now here you can find the trending audios. Now simply tap onto the audio button right here and tap on to use audio. Now simply use the audio and your Reels will get the engagement. Now the next step is using the hashtags. For that, simply add the reel, just like this. Now add the hashtags, just like this. And now you can see I have added the hashtags and you can simply post it. Now the final step is post consistently and at optimal times. The algorithm tends to favor accounts that post regularly, so try to stay active and consistent. Also, timing matters. Posting when your audience is most active will give your Reels the best chance to get noticed. And that's how you can start fixing your Instagram Reels algorithm, by focusing on quality content, using trending sounds, encouraging engagement, and posting consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.